Hey, Mike and all. This is just to show you how to get this Google Meet link up here. There's not a lot of flexibility. It's either on or off, but that can be found under the settings cog here, uh, where you can put the class details. But there you can have show the class code here, or you can have the stream you can turn on and off. The students can post, or can only comment, or only teachers can post or comment. I had it on. Classwork on the stream, show condensed notifications, or you can hide notifications or show attachments and details. And I chose to show content, condensed notifications, but if I do hide notifications, it'll turn that off. Show deleted items, I leave that off. Guardian can turn that on, but the Google Meet link is here. It's automatically generated. You can either have it visible or not visible. If I were to turn this off, the link would change to a new link. Or sorry, if I change this one, it would change to a new one or reset it. If I click this off, it's no longer visible. If I click it on, it's visible. So there's no change on that at all. And then there was grading things here about overall grade calculation, no overall grade, total points are weighted by category. You can show overall grade to students if you want. I don't have that on. And grade categories, I hadn't set those up. So hopefully I'm going to just X out of that. I'm not going to change anything on that and discard. But that's what we got right now. That's what it shows. Not a lot of flexibility.